Good afternoon, sir. I'm Jeric C. Parocha from Black J, second year. In this video, I'm going to create a database. Ang i-create po nating database is ParochaDB. And successful po ang na-create nating database. And now, we're going to create 3 tables. Ang code po natin dito is nagawa ko na po, so copy and paste na lang po ang ating gagawin. And ayan na po, nakapag-create po tayo ng 3 tables: customers, orders, and products. Yung customer table po is stores customer details, and yung order table naman po stores customer orders and links to customers via customer ID. Ito po. And the product table. Yung product table naman po stores product details including stock and price. Naka-auto-increment po to ensures that IDs increase automatically. And go na po natin to see if successful po ang ating paggawa ng table. And ayan po, mayroon na po tayong table. Double check po natin sa ating database. And ayan po, may customer table, order table, and product table. And now naman po, we're going to insert 3 records in customer tables. Insert 3 records. Ayan po, nakapag-insert na po tayo ng 3 data sa ating table na customer. And go na po natin. Ayan po, successful po yung pag-insert natin ng 3 data sa customer table natin. Ayan na po, andito na po yung mga data na in-insert natin sa customer table. And next, magdra-drop naman po tayo ng table. Ang i-drop po nating table is product table po. Yung drop table command permanently delete the product table from the database. Nire-remove po lahat ng data sa loob ng table. For example, may data po tayo sa loob ng table products. So, pag dirinap po natin ito is di-delete po lahat ng data including the table. And go na po tayo. And ayan po. As we can see, ang natitirang table na lang po is customers and order tables. And now, we're going to delete some specific data from customers table. Page 1 natin. Yung command delete from po is dinidelete yung customer name, Mark Reyes, from the customer table. Unlike yung drop po is nire-remove po niya the entire table. Ito namang po delete is dinidelete po lamang niya yung specific record. So, go na po natin kung successful po yung pag-delete natin ng data sa customer table. And yan, successful po. And tignan po natin sa customer table kung andun pa po. Ayan, as we can see po, dalawang table na lang po ang natira sa ating, dalawang data na lang po ang natitira sa ating customer table. So, ayan po yung mga operations na ginawa natin ngayon, sir. And thank you po.